Arshad Wasi, without any doubt, is one of the best comedians in Bollywood, and as an actor has proven his worth time and again with a variety of roles in his 20 years in Bollywood.
यार हमको भगवान ने 2 हाथ दिए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, मजदूरी नहीं करेंगे.
With several notable roles that he has made his own, there were some that didn't quite hit the mark. So here is our list of top 5 best and 5 worst movies of Arshad Wasi. So let's start off with the best, shall we? Number 5, Ishqiya. Nobody could pull off the character of Baban like Arshad did. Opposite actors like Nasruddin Shah and Vidya Balan in a movie that is high on drama is wild and just raw.
तोती को पिंजरे में डाल दिया और वो 2 तोते तोती को देखते ही मुस्कुराने लगे. फिर एक तोते ने दूसरे तोते के कान में जाके बोला कि
Along with the whole rustic feel, Arshad aptly kept up with the lingo between the three of them along with the dialogues and the acting.
सुन, शहर में रेड लाइट एरिया कहाँ है पता तुझे?
And without any doubt is one of his best movies ever.
पागल तुम हो गए खालू, जाएगा कहाँ बैग? हाँ, कल तक तो यहीं था.
हम तीनों के अलावा और कोई यहाँ पे आया नहीं है.
Number 4, the Golmaal series. This movie is the funniest time pass movie ever made. All the actors in the movie, especially these 4, gelled together really well, but the one who stood out was Arshad Wasi without any doubt.
टेरिस पे घूम रहा था, अपने बर्तन सुखा रहा, सॉरी कपड़े सुखा रहा था मैं. ये नहीं, ये आया मेरे को बोला वहाँ पे एक लड़की है, 4-5 लड़के और लगे हुए हैं.
His hate towards the lead man Gopal and his struggle to still stay in the group and Patao Rimi Sen is just awesome.
उस दिन मैं चुप बैठा था, पता है क्यों? बावर्ची हिट हुई थी, पता है? उसका रीमेक कर करके कितने लोग हीरो नंबर 1 हो गए.
The comic timing, the physical humor, his expressions, all this make his acting so funny to watch.
लगता है बर्फ पड़ने वाली है.
Number 3, Seher. Although this movie didn't do so well at the box office, it was highly praised by the critics, received 7.8 stars by its viewers and is now a cult classic, and it is all because of Arshad Wasi only.
पूरी व्यवस्था बना रखी है आपने और ताकेश्वरी सिंह जैसे माफिया डॉनों ने. वहीं से तो निकला है गजराज.
By the time this movie was out, Arshad Wasi was very well known as a comic actor, but he showed the audience his versatility in this movie with the role of Ajay Kumar, a hard-working, honest police officer.
मैं पहले से ही पुलिस ज्वाइन करना चाहता था. I think that's why I opted for IPS.
It was in this movie he proved what his real acting skills are and is considered as one of his best roles.
बड़ी बेरहमी से मारा गया है. जहाँ 2 या 3 गोलियों से काम चल सकता था, वहाँ पूरी की पूरी मैगजीन इंसान के शरीर में दाग दी गई है.
Number 2, Jolly LLB. No matter how many times you watch this movie, it is as exciting as it was the first time. This lawyer who arrived from a small village takes up a beef with this uber successful lawyer and is intimidated yet stays strong. And then the whole journey and the discoveries along with his personal life and then the big win, all of it is just so damn engaging, and it is all because of Arshad Wasi's acting. His accent seems so very natural and the conviction with which he fights the case, all of it is what seriously made us love the movie and moreover him. Number 1, the Munna Bhai series. This role is simply legendary. Say whatever you want, I love Circuit over Munna. There. No really, we all knew Arshad Wasi before this, but the way he made this role his is what made everyone love it.
और भाई ये है ना, ये दीवार तोड़ डालते हैं अपन. सामने वाले को हटा के ना इसको बाथरूम में आते एकदम बाटा बिटा साड़े इधर रख.
The dialect, the mannerism, the kind of innocence and his love and dedication towards Munna Bhai is just awesome.
जैसा फोन किया ना, उधर ही बाहर से उठाया. क्या? अरे भाई भूत!
His dialogues, his special names for everyone and his butterfly knife skills are simply awesome.
मिशन के लिए किसको मिलने का?
उधर कैजुअलिटी में जाके फॉर्म भरने का. पेशेंट कौन है?
कोई नहीं.
तो फिर एडमिट किसको करने का है?
भाई को.
क्या हुआ उसको?
कुछ नहीं हुआ.
All of this construct his acting skills and which is why it deserves to be on number 1.
नहीं बोलने का भाई, ये तो खाली पीले अपने को टपोरी समझेंगे वो. ये प्रोफेसर लोग जो बोलेंगे ना, बिल्कुल वो ही बोलने का.
Okay, so as we say, everyone has good qualities and bad ones too. But nobody is perfect. So let's check out some of his worst movies. Number 5, मुझे मेरी बीवी से बचाओ. The story of this movie is absolutely unfunny. Rekha is the obese wife of Nasruddin Shah and she is rich. He wants her money and in certain turn of events takes Arshad Varsi's money and Arshad wants it back. So he kidnaps Rekha, who in the meantime loses her weight and is now gorgeous.
खूंखार है ना वो खूंखार डरावनी डरावनी मिस्टर रॉकी अगर तुम चाहो तो ये केस चुटकी बजा के सॉल्व कर सकते हो
सर चुटकी क्या, मैं तो कुछ भी बजाने लायक नहीं रहा.
Nobody in the movie looked like they were in their element and eventually pulled each other down. And we don't blame Arshad Varsi, who plays a club singer, for giving a bad performance, but it really wasn't his best.
मेरे खाने का इंतजाम कौन करेगा? तेरा बाप? हम किडनैपर्स हैं।
वो कोई वेटर थोड़ी है.
Number 4, किससे प्यार करूं? This is the movie where we question Mr. Varsi. Why? Why did you choose this script?
क्रिकेट का सहारा. क्रिकेट की कुछ ऐसी लत लग गई कि हम आज भी अपना काम धंधा छोड़कर या तो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं या फिर देख रहे हैं.
In this movie, there are these 3 friends who live together in an unruly manner and want to continue living in the same way. And the only solution to live this way is to keep women away.
गुड लुकिंग.
Idiot.
रशियन नाम है.
Stupid.
इंग्लिश नाम आई मीन हिंदी नाम नहीं है कोई.
कमीना.
क्या बात कर रही हो?
About him, his acting was really not bad, पर script तो देखा करो भाई. It's the script that keeps him from giving his 100%.
को लेने आया. अच्छा एक बात बताओ यार, तुम 24 घंटे उसके साथ रहती हो, वो पकता नहीं है क्या तुमसे?
Number 3, Mr. Joby Carvalho. First of all, Joby Carvalho is a long-running pun in this movie and is unbearable after a point.
जो भी करवा लो, हमें कुछ नहीं करवाना.
This movie lacks common fucking sense. It feels like the cast is trying to stuff funny down our throat.
घर नहीं देखना चाहोगे?
क्यों? अच्छा घर है.
It's not the case where only Arshad Varsi was bad, but everyone was, and it just happens to be that Arshad Varsi was the best amongst the cast and he sucked.
कैबरे डांसर नहीं हो.
नहीं.
तुम एक हवस का नंगा नाच करने वाली बाजार औरत नहीं हो.
नहीं.
तुम एक पुलिस वाली हो.
Number 2, Double Dhamal. Double Dhamal was a huge disappointment, especially after loving the first part.
वो जैसे एडवांस टैक्स होता है वैसे एडवांस एक्सटॉर्शन मनी.
This movie is filled with sexual innuendos, double meaning jokes, a hell lot of slapstick comedy and spoofs of other movies, and none of it was in good taste.
टाइम्स. वो सब तो ठीक है यार आदि, लेकिन तू पहले ये बता, तू लेडी गोरिल्ला का कॉस्ट्यूम क्यों लेकर आया यार? अरे लेडीज जेंट्स से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? गोरिल्ला गोरिल्ला होता है यार.
Despite having a really good cast, the film didn't fall through. All the actors were loud and obnoxious, and nobody stood out as all of them equally sucked. But after movies like the ones listed in the best, we are really disappointed, Mr. Varsi.
आपका हाथ पालो.
साजी बच्चा है साजी, पढ़ ले.
Number 1, Shortcut. It was really sad to watch Arshad Varsi in this movie wasting a pretty good opportunity. This movie came at a time when mindless humor was really popular, but Anees Bazmi actually gave it a story in which Arshad Varsi plays a villain, and it was really bad.
तरह का अभ्यास करो. अरे ऐसा बहुत टाइम पास है यार.
Never have I ever seen Arshad Varsi overplay in such a movie. He hammed it up like there was no tomorrow.
डायलॉग तुमसे नहीं बोला जाता. 100 पिक्चरों में ये डायलॉग आ चुका है भाई. खिसा पिटा डायलॉग है सर, क्लीशे है, निकाल के फेंक दीजिए.
He overplayed on the gags in hopes to stand out, but stood out in the worst way possible, and this is one of his worst roles ever.
मुझे हीरो लो सर. एक बार मैंने 200 रीटेक क्या दे दिए. आप मुझे बुरा एक्टर समझते हैं.
Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share this video, and do let us know in the comments which actor or actress do you want us to make a video about next. And subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.